Good afternoon, everyone. It's JT Ippolito for Sync Media Network. We're here at InterDrone 2019, and we're going to take you around and show you the latest and greatest in equipment. So stay with us, and we'll show you everything. This company is a great company, been around for a while. They have all the spotting things to land your drone. So let us go through. We'll show you everything really quickly, and we'll be doing short videos and interviews with some of the people that are here on display at InterDrone.
It's good today.
Keeps growing every year. Ariel will come back and interview these guys. Control group for different turnkey batteries that you may be interested in. Hollywood Drones is here. We'll come back and interview Aerotos Drones.
So they will they get pretty soon?
Yeah.
Oh, cool.
And there's Sinbad from the old Hollywood days. Jay Ippolito.
Oh no, you got the DJI. He got the smallest little gimbal in the world.
Yeah.
This is the smallest. This is the smallest. DJI did put it. It's the smallest gimbal ever.
You can see it.
This is the gimbal that you leave in the bathroom because you were filming and you went to pee. And you go like, "Where's my camera?"
I want to show you what they just came out with. Their own selfie
But
stick.
see, but why would we need this on a selfie stick when we could just bought something this size in the first place? This is how they got us. They sell us this. They go, "I know it's too small, so let me give you this." But like, I already have one like this.
But this is their selfie stick, and why it's different from everybody else's is you can switch back and forth, and it goes to me, to you, to me, to you. Good to see you. We'll see you at the next convention, brother. Nice to see you. Yeah.
Sinbad,
That was Sinbad. We see him at all the different conventions that are here. So let us walk around. That was kind of coincidence. We see him at a lot of different conventions. Always good to see, huh? This company here, Drone Video Systems, sells add-ons to all the different drones. You can see their different controllers that they have and their drones in actions. Whoop, well, we had it. Here we can see it over here. Toshiba's here. And again, this side is their command and control for the different drones, including Mavic. Gearworks sells the gears. They'll print them out for you, 3D design. Phoenix Systems, they do mapping solutions. You can see all the different ways drones have grown and the different cameras that are attached to each one now. Our main server. Country assessments. We'll come back and talk to Direct Ascent Group. Sensorless drives, optimal instructions, structure. Amazing. We'll come back and show you Green Rubber Company for all your systems. One of the gadgets. Open source flight control software. Gosh, look at the size of what they've gotten down to. So let us walk around and we'll report on some other things. This is just a overview of the show, so stick with us. Follow us, Sync Media Network, on YouTube. There's over 1,700 videos broken down by playlist. This is Drone Up, matching missions and pilots. Interesting. Look at the cameras and the batteries now. My gosh. Drone hardware and middleware. We'll come back and talk to them too.
And, you know, it's a thing that
Oh, the Walt Disney Museum by Frank Getty in downtown Los Angeles. Great drone footage.
a lot of kinks to work out, but yeah, you can potentially.
And they're building another complex right next door.
Time, you know, an officer from that general jurisdiction. Yeah. Would be, you know, your employee. And then they know, hey, we found this guy. Great immediately. So we have some work to do, you know, and like, no, I don't want to go out and
Let us know what you want us to cover, and we'll cover. We're trying to find the latest and greatest and stuff that hasn't been there before. So let us know what you want us to cover. Again, we're doing a general overview now.
Yeah.
But we'll be coming back and doing individual interviews, so stay tuned.
Right here. Right. Every time they see the pot, they would think that the world's dropping. Right? That's the way it works. So this is the problem. If you don't do the math right, you can't do the That's right. It's your work. It's your
Let us chop off now, and we'll get back to you in a minute with interviews. So JTI, back to you in the studio for Sync Media Network. Eileen.